Hi guys, I'm going to talk about 7 habits of highly effective people book review. I'm going to tell one by one because if we I can make one video about all 7, but it is having individual importance and there is a one depth, so that I'm going to talk about a individual topic one by one. Please do not drop out from this. The best book, it is saying by accept us to develop the self development. It is copied. The copies of this book is 25 billion books are sold, and 35 language it is uh, translated from this book. These are the facts of this book, and I'm going to this topic. Before going to the topic, we should know this by seeing the motivational videos or reading motivational books. It is not to show the intelligence. I have intelligence than any of us, because it is not a not the right way to express our intelligence to others. The authors, any poets, are spent 5 years or 15 years researched to this give this theory on this book, because it is a lifetime opportunity to express this book, any of the book. Any take any book, you can see business strategy, techniques to any of about anything, on psychology of anything, and ideas of these expressed in the book. These are the surface level learning. It can be do anything, everyone. It is a learning from the any books, e-books, or any audio books. It can be done by any people. It is a surface level learning. Those are the surface level learning. We should learn depth learning. It is a second level learning. What is second level learning? If you want to know how to do the depth level learning, it is applied. The concept should be applied to the real life, and it may be leads to 3 months, 6 months, or maybe 1 year, 2 years, go on. We should not read a book. We should use the concept from this book. Now we can go to the topic of the first topic of this book. And welcome to our channel, Independent CJ. The author of the 7 habits of high effective people is telling about two people, differentiating two people, proactive and reactive. First, I am going to discuss about reactive people, because we can see only the reactive people around us. They blame others. If they not able to do anything. They tell others. They blame others, and government are not proper. The politics should be have a good leader. There is no good leader in the world, and the surviving is in the world is very difficult. Students are telling that. Will tell that due to this school, I made a life waste. When I studied other school, my life will be get awesome or any happy in life. Because of this school I felt badly, and some people will be saying that due this college I go due to this college uh, it is my life is changed into any badly. But some people will be saying that I have many ideas, but I have not money because my father is not a richest people. So that richest person, we not accepting our failures. These are the we not accept our failures because it is because our ego is terminating these failures. We should not blame others. The life, the changes of the life depends on individual person. Because I'm going to tell you examples. First one is Abraham Lincoln. Father was a shoemaker. At the time of his was son was selected as a president. He also not a richest uh, person in the world, but he selected as a president. And Albert we know Abdul Kalam. He also not a richest person, but he can achieve a goal from this Tamil Nadu, India. We should not be a reactive people. We should have a proactive personality in our life. We should we should not blame others for our failure, and what your personality, reactive or proactive. Thank you.